Welcome back. Today we will be cooking a recipe from the Godzilla cookbook, Seatopia Salmon. If you like salmon, then you'll probably like this recipe, although I'm sure you could use other fish as well and it'll be just as good. I'm going to double the recipe, so I have some nice leftovers during the week. If you want to double the recipe with me, start with 8 skin-on salmon fillets. I have 2 big pieces, which I will slice into 4 portions each. Rinse your salmon fillets with water, then pat dry, and place on a baking sheet that has been sprayed with oil. In a small bowl, combine 4 tablespoons of white miso. Add 4 tablespoons of soy sauce or coconut aminos, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons agave syrup or other liquid sweetener, 2 tablespoons sesame oil, half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and half a teaspoon of salt. Mix until it is all combined. Next, we are going to take half the sauce and brush it over the salmon. Make sure you get all the sides with the sauce. Bake the salmon for about 10 minutes at 500 degrees. My salmon needed longer in the oven, so I baked them for an additional 5 minutes. Once the timer goes off, turn the broiler on and crisp the top of the salmon for about 3 minutes. I opted to not use my broiler because the smoke detector always goes off. Remove the salmon from the oven and brush with the remaining sauce, making sure you get down the sides as well. As you can see, I tried to darken my salmon with a torch, but it didn't go so well. Oh well, I'm sure it'll still taste good. Lastly, sprinkle with pepper to taste and some sesame seeds. Time to dig in. The salmon smells really, really good. And when I stick my fork in, the salmon just flakes right off. It is smooth and fatty, and the sauce totally complements the salmon. The agave syrup provides a gentle sweetness, while the miso gives a savory umami flavor. The small amount of red pepper flakes we put in give it a little kick every time you find a flake. If you like food on the spicier side, I definitely recommend that you add more flakes. If you like fish, I recommend giving this a try. If you tried this recipe, let me know in the comments below, as well as if there are any recipes you want to see. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Also, make sure you hit the notification bell to stay up to date on my cooking adventures. Thanks for watching. See you next time.